Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol Fule from Undisputed Marketer, and if you are watching this video, you're probably doing some research on MLM versus pyramid scheme, the difference between this. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into this. We're going to talk about it in great detail, and I'm going to explain to you what is the difference between these two. So before we dive into that, if you're not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, then just go ahead and subscribe over there. There is a red subscribe button over there, and give me likes if you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, what is your experience with MLMs, and what is the reason for you to do this kind of research as well. And I strive to deliver content each and every day for all of you guys and to give you as much value as I can. So let's dive into our today's topic, and it's the MLM versus pyramid scheme and the differences between these two. So first of all, MLM or multi-level marketing, network marketing, it's all basically the same, just different names. It's probably one of the oldest business models there are. They started in 50s or 60s. In the 20th century, so they are very well established. They are quite old business models, and first of all, yes, they are 100% legal. Very much there are pretty big companies that are doing MLMs, and these companies are basically dealing in all sorts of categories. They can be in health industry, which is very popular, but they can be in travel, they can be in gardening, they can be in I don't know what, literally in any category you could possibly think of. And you know, they are quite popular among the people who are doing it, as well as in general. And you know, probably the reason why it is a little bit of a question mark is that it's quite of like a very popular opinion that they are like something like a pyramid scheme or something. So this is not really the case. The way how MLM work is that you probably heard about this before, that you know, the only thing you have to do as an MLM recruiter or distributor, that's how people who are recruiting, who are making money with MLM are called, is to, you know, find 3 new people who will do exactly the same. So again, 3 new people, 3 new people, 3 new people, and this is how basically your structure or your so-called downfall, or you know, the downline is created, and thus you are going to get more and more money from this. Now the MLM is basically like any other business model. They are selling their own products, as I mentioned, in different categories, and you as a recruiter, you are paid in 2 ways. Now first of all, it is from the selling of the products of the company itself, but then you are also paid from the new people, new recruiters that you find, that you recruit on your own or in your team. That's how it is called, with people who are in your downline. Now the thing with this is that this is why basically it is sometimes called a pyramid scheme, because it is in the pyramid shape, but that doesn't really mean anything. And in fact, if you think about it, you can find pyramid shapes in almost any business you would possibly think of. If you want, you can just think of your corporate structure, where you have the owner of the company, then you have the board of directors, then you have probably the team leaders, and then you have the employees, the general employees. So when you draw the lines, you have a pyramid shape, right? So pyramid shape is quite honestly very popular, very common in any businesses. So it doesn't mean literally anything that MLM is in a pyramid shape, that what you are creating is a pyramid shape. To be honest, it's very common, it's very normal. Now, what a pyramid scheme is, and the main difference between MLMs and pyramid scheme is that pyramid scheme is not connected to any product whatsoever. The only thing that pyramid scheme is all based around is making money. So that is basically the only product, that idea of making money, right? So basically the people who are at the beginning, they are inviting new and new people to this business, to the business idea, to make money, and they do exactly the same, and when you get to the very bottom, there is not enough money to pay those who are at the bottom, right? So this is why it is a pyramid scheme, and this is why it is illegal, it is prohibited. So whenever you just find it, whenever you cross your roads across this, then just run away from it. Don't even think about joining this, because even if it is at the beginning, they will get shut down very, very quickly. Now, if you are thinking about joining an MLM company, you're probably on a crossroad on, you know, what type of business to go for. Because if you're thinking about MLM, and if you're thinking about joining this kind of business, that tells me something about you. That tells me that you are seeking some other ways of how to do business, how to make money in this world, in this, you know, in this environment that we are in. Because you are probably thinking that it's not okay, it's not the only way for you to earn money by going to the 9 to 5 job, or creating your own business where you work 20 to 30 years really, really hard, and then you have, you know, some kind of vacations once or twice in a year. You want something different, and for that I congratulate you, first of all, because not many people even dare to dream about it, not even to do actions about it. So just pat yourself on the shoulder for this. And I was exactly the same like you. I went through lots of different businesses. I was doing Amazon FBA. I was doing different MLM companies. To be honest, my first experience with MLM was around 10 years ago, which was still at my high school. And to be honest, I didn't really know what I was doing. It was I think it was health products, which was very common at those days, and it was really in, you know, personal meetings and so on. And you know, I was literally looking for these ways. And the more I got experience with different businesses, and especially MLMs, I've experienced, and I figured out that, you know, the main problem that I had with MLMs, or in general, the main problem with MLM is that, you know, it's not structured for you to really succeed in big numbers, right? And I will explain it to in a second. Now, the MLM is when you are looking for some, like, a part-time job, or part-time, you know, like an extra income for your, I don't know, for your full-time job, then it's perfect. And especially if you like those products, if you like the idea of that company, then it's completely fine, it's perfect for you to go for. But if you are looking for some other ways of changing, or, you know, having a full-time income, then this is what you will struggle with in MLM. Because the MLM is, as you probably know, is structured into different levels, or, you know, positions, as they are calling. And they have, I don't know, maybe 6 to 7 positions, or depending on, you know, obviously the MLM company you want to join. And the way how it is structured is that there is a certain level of the position of the people that you have, or whatever it is, the turnover, where, you know, it's probably in half, where, you know, the 4 or 3 of those positions are quite low with the money, right? And then the big money are starting to arrive, and the big money you are starting to see those big money. But the problem with this is that, you know, it's so much structured that if you want to get past that certain level, you need a lot of people. And we're talking about hundreds, or even maybe thousands of people in your downline, right? And so if you just look at the statistics of any MLM companies, or in general, there is probably not even 1% of people who are earning 5,000 or more with MLM businesses, which probably it's even 0.5%, but let's just talk about 1%. So that's really, really low for 5,000 a month, which is, if you think about it, it's not that much of money a month, right? Like, obviously it's great money, but it's not that much that you would get, you know, get rich, or, you know, whatever, you would be a millionaire from this, right? So it shouldn't be that hard to get to that positions or so. And the thing with this is that, you know, even though the products can be great, it could be literally a cure for cancer, you still need to sell those products. You still need to go out and explain to those people that this is literally something good for them, whatever it is, right? So you do need to recruit those people, you do need to sell those products, and you know, most people in your downline won't be great at recruiting, right? Because probably you are not that great at recruiting, right? I don't personally know you, but you know, if you're just starting with this, you probably don't have that much experience with it, so you won't be, I don't know, like a guru or whoever who is so successful with this. And you know, at a certain level you get to a point where you don't really have that much people to talk to even, right? And you know, there are certainly certain type of people who are very successful with MLM. Don't get me wrong, in any business there are people who are very successful and they get rich, they get they become millionaires from this 100%. But most people, as you just check the statistics, are very low percent of people who are really good at this and making huge money from it. Now, and the thing is that, you know, I did have exactly this kind of problem with this. I got to a certain level where it was really difficult for me to go past that. And the way how I found how I could get more people is to go online. And interestingly enough, when I did that, I found I've come across a different business model that allowed me to scale my business way faster and earn a lot more money than with MLM I was ever possibly that was ever possible for me, right? And so this business model is called affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically in a very simple way, it is a way of business where I, as an affiliate marketer, I find a good product to sell, which is high value for the customer itself, and it's basically good, well structured, right? It's a good valued product, and then I find the audience who could be interested in this product, and I just connect them, right? As a marketer, I'm the middle person who connects them. And when I get the sale, I get a commission. Now the commission can be ranging from 20-30% to 50%, which is very common, 75%, which is very common, even 90 to 100% of the selling price is the commission you as an affiliate marketer can get. And now this is exactly, you know, the way how I got successful in business. It is something that I'm really passionate about nowadays, in these days, and literally this is something that allowed me to scale up my business, to get exactly what I wanted, to have my vision fulfilled. And you know, this is exactly what you could also achieve if you want, if you are really serious and committed to this. So this is it probably, guys, from all of our video. I hope you now understand the difference between MLM and pyramid scheme. I hope you get lots of value from it. And listen, if you are the person who is, you know, looking for ways of getting into the business of your own, scaling it up and getting that freedom and then that life, then I highly encourage you to click the link below. I've created a 4-day free video series for all of you guys who are interested in affiliate marketing, and you probably didn't even know that this exists, but now you are really excited about this. Then just go ahead, click on this link. You will get access to this 4-day free video series where I talk each day something new about affiliate marketing, how it works, what kind of strategy you need to implement to be successful, and how you can really leverage the power of this affiliate marketing. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon in another videos. Bye, guys.